Welcome. In front of me is a V-MOBILE S39, and today I will show you how to remove the battery from this device. So you might want to start off by actually locking the screen, and from there you want to pull off the back cover. You have a little tab right here where you can start pulling off, which is located on the bottom right corner. From there you just want to go all around and just pry off the cover to gain access to the battery. Then lift the battery up like so and out, and there it comes out. Now if you want to pull it back in, all you need to do is just make sure you align the right here where you have the minus plus with the pins right here, and just slide it back in like so. I'm gonna put on the cover again, and from there all you need to do now is power back on the device. And there it is, now the device is back on. So that is how you would enter or take out the battery and put it back in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.